My name is Polite Mwarimba. I'm the Programs Administrator at Pambizana Agriculture Center. So today we are in Bulawayo. We are exhibiting some of our produce and the work that we do as Pambizana. So today we have quite a number of produce. Here we have Rosella. These are tea bags. Also we have Rosella jam. Also I have the Rosella leaves for tea. The Rosella is mainly used for reducing sugar and for BP. Then we move on. We have quite a number of a variety of dried herbs. We have wormwood, which is mainly used for for stomach aches. Then we also have lavender. Lavender, we use it mostly for livestock. Then we have vinona for boosting the immune system. And then we also have dried vegetables from cover. This one is not dried from direct sunlight, but we use solar dryers, yes, to maintain the nutrients that are found in the vegetables. Then over there we have these are soil fertility management techniques. So we have the vermicompost manure that we use instead of using the artificial fertilizers. We are creating this compost for farmers. We also teach them how to make this so that they do not have to use a lot of money buying artificial fertilizers, which are not healthy for their environment and the body. Here we also have, this one works as the basalt. Here we have top dressing. Top dressing is made from the vermicompost liquid or the jati liquid tea. So we have the tea, the basalt, and here we have the top dressing. The dilutions are mentioned on the container. So you can dilute this 5 liter into a 20 liter drum. So you can cover quite a space without using any resources. Then here we are trying to make sure that farmers do not have to struggle with buying feed, or especially in Matabele and North, where we usually have farmers working that we work with, encourage them to make their own using locally available materials and produce that they grow from their farmers, from their farms. Here we used maize crush, sunflower, and some antibiotics that are found locally. Then lastly, Pambizana is also growing. We are producing our own water named Nonoto. Yes, from which is also organic. We also have the agroecology that we are promoting, agroecology diploma. Yes. So we are inviting everyone who wants to learn more about agroecology, where you have a chance to learn a 3-year course diploma at Pambizana. This is a block for those who may not be comfortable coming to school every day. Then we also have short courses here. These are short courses: Introduction to Agroecology, Introduction to Beekeeping, small courses which range from 3 days to 14 days. So anyone who is willing to learn more about agroecology can come through to Pambizana with you.
And why are you at this symposium?
The symposium, we have come here because we are exhibiting as technical partner in the consortium of TROCAN. So we work with Zimpro, Catras Bulawayo, Orap, Catras Mashingo, and the other guys. So we are the technical team that works with these partners, teaching about agroecology.
What do you expect to take away from the symposium? Like take home message.
Okay, I would say we expect farmers and everyone here who is passing by to come and learn more about agroecology. Then after that, they go and implement it and teach other farmers and neighbors, so that we have a sustainable way of life which is healthy and income which is friendly.
So far, what has been the response of your visitors to your stand?
It has been good because people were not so sure and were not aware of these natural compost that we do. They were not also aware of the herbs and the produce that we produce or that we teach others, because most of it's mainly grown by farmers, but they really didn't know how to make use of them. Shigi economy.
Thank you.